If you're using RSI to form your trading decision, this video is perfect for you. At the end of this video, I will share with you the sweet spot between the buy and sell level of RSI to turn a losing trade into a winning one. So just to be clear, RSI is a momentum indicator that measures the speed and the change of price movements. It ranges from 0 to 100. So if you would like to understand more about how RSI works, do check out my previous video for the more in-depth explanation here. Alright, enough talk. Let's get to the exciting part. So as you can see on my trading view chart here, I'm looking at the Apple stocks on the 1 hour time frame. So what you can do is you can just simply go to indicator here and type in RSI so that you can see the standard RSI level that traders buy or sell based on the market condition. So you can just simply select the relative strength index. So once you click on that, it will pops up at the bottom. So you can see that this purple line on the bottom screen here, the standard buy and sell level will occur at the 70 and 30. So traders will usually enter into a long position when the RSI level crosses below the RSI 30 level. This is when the RSI is being oversold, so they will enter a buy position, while as compared to the level where the RSI has crossed above 70, as you can see from here, this indicates an overbought condition. So at this point of time, trader would usually enter into a long position. However, what I want to cover in this video is that the RSI level, I realized, or in fact should I say I've backtested, the sweet spot is actually not at 70 or 30 level. So maybe just let me show you how this works. If I were to key in the RSI strategy, so same thing, go to indicator, key in RSI strategy. So once you type in this, right, it will appear on the left hand panel of your screen. So when I use the overbought and oversold value of 70 and 30, you can see that the strategy is actually not generating me a great profit. In fact, it's a negative profit here, negative 82%. And in terms of the profit factor, it's actually less than 1. So this strategy is totally not working at all. But however, doesn't mean the RSI indicator is not a good indicator to use when it comes to trading decision. The answer is no, because the sweet spot that I've already backtested is actually over here. I want you to remember this negative 82%, whereby you're using the standard level of RSI 30 and 70 compared to my personal backtested strategy. You can see that the net profit actually increased to 181%, and in terms of the profit factor, is actually more than 1. It's standing at 1.724, and the percent profitable is actually 78%. So majority of the trades that I place into using this strategy of mine based on the sweet spot level of buy and sell signal, it actually gives me more profit. So I'm just gonna show you again the standard ones, which the percent profitable is only 53%, profit factor is less than 1, and then net profit percentage is negative. Whereas for my very own RSI strategy, it's actually giving me a very strong winning trades as well. So you can see from the equity curve, even though the max drawdown percentage is actually relatively high, but of course I believe that with more optimization to the current strategy, this percentage can be reduced as well. So this is what I did. So by now you'll be wondering what exactly is this sweet spot level, right? I'm just gonna show you in this video. Usually RSI length, they will look at the last 14 candles, but for myself, I like to look at the last 15. And in terms of the properties itself, I'm actually looking at the buy level of 56 and the sell level at 73. So you can see that this is actually working pretty well for the Apple stocks. So maybe let me just change to other stocks to show you the results as well. As you can see, for Microsoft, the equity curve is also looking pretty decent. It's a uptrend movement. And if I were to compare to the standard one, you can see that even though the standard one is also an uptrend equity curve, however, there's a huge drawdown and it's not a very consistent smooth line going upwards. So that's for Microsoft. And let's just check out another stocks, maybe SPY. You can see that SPY is also quite a smooth, although there's like a little drawdown here and here, but generally is a pretty nice upward equity curve itself. So you can see that this RSI strategy that I've created in the Pine script is actually doing pretty well. So if you would like to access this Pine script, do like and comment RSI below. So I will be doing a more in-depth video coverage on this topic. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful trading tips. I'll see you in my next video.